Good day everybody, welcome to today's video. If you have tuned into this video, then obviously you might be having the same problem. How do I install the grommets in my LS valve cover without damaging the grommets? There's been reports, people buy, replace the valve cover gasket, want to do the grommets as well. Go to insert the grommets and they damage them while inserting them in the bolts. I'm going to show you a little trick how to avoid that and get you on your way. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my 8 grommets with the bigger side of the hat down. I'm going to stick them on the tin foil right here. I got my powder coat oven. Going to turn that down to about 150, 200 degrees. Get that started up. And then I'm going to bake them for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. And then we're going to install them on the bolts. I got some assembly lube here, and just to make things a little easier, we're just gonna coat that with some assembly lube, because even though the rubber will get pliable once it's heated, lubrication will also make it go on a little bit easier. And when we start doing this, we got to be gentle. We don't want to start forcing the grommets on. If we start forcing the grommets on, there's a good chance we may tear it, and then we're back going to the parts store getting some more, and hopefully we get them on without wrecking them. Gotta have patience. Slow and steady as she goes. Last one. There we go. 10 minutes, we should be good to go. I'm about 5 minutes in. Gonna grab one. And pliable, went right on. Grab another one. Same thing. Kind of like a twisting motion, very carefully, and on. Grab another one. Start off at an angle, kind of roll it, and on. And same with this one. And on. Set these into the valve cover. Get a new valve cover gasket. And we'll put these bad boys on, hopefully for the last time. There you shall have it. LS valve cover is reinstalled. Grommets went on perfectly. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's a pretty quick and dirty little darn trick. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.